my channel Inspired Birdie. So I'm starting off my 2019 fall DIYs, and I'm going to start off with two really super simple picture frame type DIYs, and this is using pretty much mostly like 99% items from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to start off with DIY number one. So the first DIY, the only item that's not from the Dollar Tree is this burlap. However, yes, you can buy burlap from the Dollar Tree. I saw some the other day and it actually looks quite similar to this. I just happen to already have this from previous years. And this is from the Dollarama, which is the dollar store in Canada. Then I'm also going to use this new Harvard Blessings picture that I found this year, 2019, at Dollar Tree, as well as this reef lining. I don't know what you call these. It's like the metal reefs that you can find usually in their floral section, or sometimes they have them with their fall, Halloween, and Christmas. So that's it for DIY number one. Let's get started. I hope you enjoy. All right, guys, moving on to DIY number 2. And for this DIY, everything's from the Dollar Tree. So I'll quickly show you. So I'm featuring this board. This is a new board. At least I haven't seen it last year. And it is a chalkboard. So it says thankful, has cute little pumpkins here. Now you can totally just use this as a chalkboard and write on it. But I do find that with chalkboards like this, where it's not really a chalkboard, it doesn't really erase well. Plus I don't have the nicest handwriting. So I'm gonna use it for something else. I also picked up this picture frame. And then this is some burlap from the Dollar Tree. It is leftover from projects from previous years, but you can find this in their fall area, but they can also, they also have it in their just regular like floral area. And then lastly, I'm going to be also using these metal words. I don't know if they had these last year. I saw people haul them, but I'm not too sure. I don't remember seeing them. So these are going to be used in 2 different DIYs that I'm going to be doing. So I have these and it says thankful, harvest, and welcome. And that's it. So let's get started. I'm putting glue in here if you're wondering like what is she doing. It's because these picture frames I find not very sturdy. Like they're kind of moving all over the place, and when they do that they easily break. At least that's been my experience with Dollar Tree picture frames. So I'm just gonna add some glue for the stability.